What if I told you that 90% of how long you live is within your control? That's right, genetics only play a small role. The rest? It's in the choices we make every day. Shocking, right? Here's another fact. Studies show that people who follow certain habits can live up to 10 years longer than the average person. And not just longer, but healthier. Imagine being 90 and still feeling great. In this video, we'll explore the groundbreaking health studies that are changing how we approach aging. You'll learn how simple breathing techniques can lower stress and boost energy. We'll dive into how your gut health affects your heart and how spending time in nature can actually extend your life. The best part? These strategies are easy to start today. Stick around to discover the science-backed secrets to living a long, vibrant life. Let's get started. Chapter 1, The Longevity Code. Unlocking secrets hidden in our cells. Scientists are discovering that our cells hold the key to how long we live. Inside each cell, there are tiny structures called telomeres. These are like the protective caps at the end of shoelaces, but for our DNA. As we age, our telomeres shorten, and when they become too short, our cells can no longer divide. That's when aging kicks in. But here's the twist: researchers have found ways to slow telomere shortening. In fact, one study revealed that people with longer telomeres can live up to 15 years longer. How do you lengthen your telomeres? Regular exercise, a plant-rich diet, and reducing stress have all been shown to preserve them. Even simple practices like meditation can slow down the telomere aging process. A 2013 study published in The Lancet found that people who practiced meditation regularly had 43% lower levels of the stress hormone cortisol, a key factor in protecting telomeres. Want to go a step further? There's emerging research around resveratrol, a compound found in red grapes and blueberries. This natural chemical has been linked to activating a protein called sirtuin, which helps protect telomeres. Researchers at Harvard suggest it could mimic the effects of calorie restriction, a proven method to extend life. The takeaway? Small, everyday habits like moving your body, managing stress, and eating vibrant fruits and veggies can slow the ticking clock in your cells. Chapter 2, Brain Power Revolution. Keeping your mind sharp for life. When it comes to living longer, brain health is just as important as physical health. Cognitive decline is one of the biggest factors in aging, but new research suggests we can keep our brains sharper, longer. The trick? Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself. Studies show that your brain is much more flexible than we once thought. Here's an amazing fact: people who challenge their brains daily through puzzles, learning new skills, or even playing musical instruments, are 63% less likely to develop dementia, according to a study published in JAMA Psychiatry. In countries like Japan, where elderly people often engage in mentally stimulating activities, the rates of Alzheimer's are noticeably lower compared to the global average. In fact, daily brain training games can boost memory by 15%, according to a report in the British Medical Journal. That's as simple as solving a crossword or learning a new language. Harvard neuroscientist Dr. Lisa Genova also emphasizes the importance of sleep, stating, "Sleep is the brain's rinse cycle. It clears out the toxins that can contribute to Alzheimer's. So, don't underestimate the power of a full 7 to 8 hours of sleep to keep your mind young." If you're looking for foods to boost brain power, the MIND diet, a mix of the Mediterranean and DASH diets, is proven to reduce Alzheimer's risk by up to 53%. Eating leafy greens, nuts, and berries can go a long way to preserving your memory. Quick pause, subscribe to stay updated, then let's jump right back in. Chapter 3, The Gut-Heart Connection. How your microbiome holds the key to longevity. You might not think of your gut as the secret to living longer, but it plays a massive role in your overall health. Inside your digestive system lives trillions of microorganisms, collectively known as your microbiome. These tiny bacteria aren't just responsible for digestion, they influence everything from your immune system to your heart health. Here's a fascinating stat. According to researchers at Nature Medicine, people with a diverse gut microbiome are 32% more likely to live longer. This is because a healthy gut can reduce inflammation, a root cause of many age-related diseases, including heart disease. The connection between the gut and heart is something scientists are diving into more deeply. Studies have found that certain gut bacteria can lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. By feeding your gut the right foods, fiber-rich vegetables, fermented foods like yogurt and kimchi, you can protect your heart. But the gut-heart connection goes beyond diet. Stress also impacts your gut health. A study published in Psychosomatic Medicine shows that stress can alter gut bacteria, increasing inflammation and raising your risk for heart problems. That's why stress management techniques like yoga, deep breathing, and meditation can be so important for your longevity. In one of the most exciting breakthroughs, researchers are exploring the use of probiotics to improve heart health. In a 2020 study, participants who took specific strains of probiotics saw a 6% reduction in LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol linked to heart disease. Imagine being able to improve your heart health just by taking care of your gut. Chapter 4, Breath of Life, Mastering the Ancient Art of Longevity Breathing. When we think about improving our health, we often focus on diet or exercise. But what about breathing? Breathing is something we do every second of every day, yet most of us don't realize how much power it has over our health. Breathing techniques have been used in ancient practices for thousands of years, and now science is backing up their health benefits. One of the most fascinating findings is that proper breathing can lower blood pressure, reduce stress, and even extend life. A 2015 study from Harvard Medical School showed that participants who practiced deep, slow breathing for 10 minutes a day saw their heart rate and blood pressure drop by 10 to 15%. That's because deep breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps the body relax. There's also a technique called box breathing, used by Navy SEALs to stay calm in stressful situations. The method involves inhaling for 4 seconds, holding the breath for 4 seconds, exhaling for 4 seconds, and holding again for 4 seconds. This simple practice not only reduces stress but also improves focus and mental clarity. Beyond stress relief, breathing exercises like pranayama, an ancient yogic practice, are shown to increase lung capacity and improve oxygen efficiency. Oxygen is crucial for cellular energy, and the more efficiently your cells use oxygen, the healthier they are. A study published in Chest Journal found that people who practiced pranayama for 12 weeks had a 35% increase in lung capacity. Here's an amazing fact: breathing through your nose instead of your mouth can improve your health dramatically. Nose breathing filters air, keeps your airways moist, and even boosts nitric oxide levels, which help expand blood vessels. Dr. James Nestor, author of Breath, highlights how most of us are mouth breathers, and it's slowly harming our health. Simple changes in how you breathe can lead to big improvements in longevity. Chapter 5, Metabolic Mastery, Reprogramming Your Body's Energy for a Long, Vital Life. Metabolism is often thought of as the rate at which we burn calories, but it's so much more than that. It's the process that turns food into energy and drives every function in your body. As we age, metabolism naturally slows down, but new research is uncovering ways to keep it running efficiently, even as we get older. One of the most effective strategies to boost metabolism is intermittent fasting. Studies show that fasting helps your body burn fat more efficiently and may even extend your life. According to research published in the New England Journal of Medicine, intermittent fasting can reduce inflammation, improve blood sugar levels, and increase lifespan by 15 to 20% in animal studies. Another way to rev up your metabolism is through high-intensity interval training, HIIT. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by periods of rest. Research from the Journal of Physiology shows that just 10 minutes of HIIT a day can boost metabolic rate for up to 24 hours. That means you're burning more calories long after you've finished working out. But exercise and fasting aren't the only ways to master your metabolism. Eating more protein can increase something called the thermic effect of food, the number of calories your body burns just digesting food. Protein has the highest thermic effect, meaning it requires more energy to break down than fats or carbs. By making small adjustments to your diet, like eating lean proteins and plenty of fiber, you can keep your metabolism humming along. Metabolism also slows down as muscle mass declines with age, so strength training becomes essential. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who did regular resistance training had a 7% higher metabolic rate than those who didn't. That might not sound like much, but over time, it can make a big difference in maintaining a healthy weight and energy level. Like what you saw? Subscribe and stay connected with all our latest videos.